Controllers make for great presents, just my personal opinion, and it's a good thing that Custom Controllers has us covered. They're giving us free shipping with all purchases over $125, and as far as what to get, once again, my personal opinion, you can't go wrong with my controller, and you can get that or any other controller, and you can use the discount code MOO and get 8% off. Or you can use the new controller builder and make your own custom controller and get 25% off by using the code MOO25. And that's all I have, so now you can watch me play Battlefield 1 for the first time.
Damn, Brock, that face mask you got on looks sick.
Football tryouts.
Look at that shit. Look at Brock. Look how cool he looks.
Oh, there we go. Squads. Yeah, damn, look at that. Damn.
Damn, Scotty looks like he's about to fucking play Rainbow Six Siege. Look at his ass.
Brock, you're gonna...
What?
I don't even
There's
know
a guy
where
chasing you. Chasing your booty cheeks. Oh, I see you over here, dude. There's a guy to your left, Brock.
Really?
Yeah, he just died right there.
Now, yeah.
Oh. Well, how about that?
Brock is just like completely oblivious to these guys. There's like 3 guys running circles around him. He had no idea.
The man didn't know how to get out of a car.
Yeah, but they didn't kill me either, so...
That's true.
You know.
That's broken.
Clip.
Oh,
this banana clip is huge.
Ooh.
Thanks
That's
again,
an
Marcel, for letting me borrow Puffer, by the way.
Oh.
Maniacal laughter. Oh.
That was awesome.
There are 3 horses that spawn. If someone would like to join me in an epic conquest across the desert, I'd really appreciate it.
Let's
Oh,
shoot it
yeah.
right there.
Oh, you see that?
Yeah! I got it!
Hell yeah,
I
dude.
got it!
I love being on horses.
We
you know
got
why?
it!
We got it!
What's up, boys?
Yeah!
Can the animation to get on a horse be any slower, please? That's what I want.
I've never been here. There's like a bunker under the...
Why are you in the corner? Oh, Mr. Sniffles!
bunker.
Yeah, there's a guy camping down here last time.
It sounds like I just died to a house cat.
There's
No, that's what I was thinking.
Come the fuck!
I got him for you, buddy.
One down. 2 down.
There we go. Those were some accurate shots.
Okay, they want to play rough? Huh?
Okay.
They want to play rough.
Okay. Oh, it didn't kill him. It was funny though. All right, let's see this.
Where? Oh, hey. Look at my hands. Here. Pick up my class. Pick up my class.
Oh, yeah.
Surprise!
Oh, it's tiny.
Yeah.
He's
Tiny little pistol.
Right below you guys.
Good luck getting a kill. It does 5 damage per shot.
I
Come
hit him.
on! Teammates, kill him! He's in the corner! Oh, what are they looking at? Thank you.
You gotta get out of here with my tiny gun.
Why did I do that? I am the dumbest person.
How did you get this thing?
You have to be ranked 10.
Oh! I got 30 damage on him.
We're hiding in a bush to capture F. Oh, well, you blew our bush up, you
Are
bastard.
you though? I blew your cover, literally.
I'll blow you under the covers.
Destroyed that bush.
I'm not gonna do that. I was just saying that to be funny.
They have a flamethrower. Yep.
Oh, he's not serious.
Wake his people. Fuck.
Oh, get blown up, pussy lips!
Oh!
Where did he go?
Yeah, man, they love my train.
Oh, I'm coming on your train.
Oh, please.
Here we go.
Just clean up after.
No, I can't make it.
It's just death and demise all around me.
Okay, Brock's right.
You're getting chased, Brock. Brock!
Oh!
Oh my god, what a death! I watched that happen. Just it was right in front of the camera like some Spielberg
What
shit.
happened to you, boy?
Take the blip's going down. She's going down.
Whoa.
Isn't it beautiful, Scotty?
So romantic.
This is the perfect first date.
Whoa!
You know what's probably sad about that, Marcel? Plenty of people probably went to go see that plane or that.
The Hindenburg?
Yeah, the Hindenburg. They went there as a date.
This
and it
is
was just
such a good
disaster.
date. Oh, never mind. Maybe this is a sign we shouldn't date.
I mean, it makes sense why they would, but get shut down.
I
Oh.
die, and then I see the silhouette of the dude laying on his dick with a sniper, and I want to find where he lives, and I want to murder his dog.
I'm going to town with this big gun.
What's up, boy?
Whoa!
What's up?
So we can
Now we
snipe.
can get on top of the roof.
Oh, guy, there's a guy. Let's go get him. Come on, jump down,
Snipe out the other side now.
jump down.
Wait, where is
He's gonna come right here by this bush. He's right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Oh
Oh
yeah.
yeah?
Okay, I don't know where he went. Oh, here he is.
Oh, he's
Right here. Right here.
Oh,
Shh, shh,
Jesus.
shh, shh, shh.
He's looking at Marcel. Get him, Marcel. It's a fight.
Hold on, I'm gonna syringe him.
I'm getting shot
Lethal
from everywhere.
injection!
Get him.
Yeah! There you go, bitch! That was the worst player I've ever seen in my life.
You
Oh,
just
hey.
Kevorkian'd him. Oh, they're shooting at us! I'm gonna shovel
Wait,
him.
where
Oh,
is
there
he?
he
Where
is.
is
right here.
Where is he?
I'm gonna
Is he
shovel.
by you?
Uh-oh.
There we go.
Oh! Oh!
Oh,
help.
behind us! Turn around, Brock. Get him.
I'm dead.
Of course you are.
I was trying to shovel someone.
Yep, I'm sure you were.
I was, jerk.
Train spawns on this map too, so
Cool.
Tongue fighted bite.
Where the fuck can the train go through the
it
jungle?
goes straight through the middle. There's a train
Who
track.
plowed railroad tracks through the
What?
middle of the map?
Ooh, railroad
You know who did it?
railroad tracks.
I'm going in.
Oh,
Who was that?
I see a guy. It's time to
Okay,
shovel.
Matthew's playing.
Hey, quick question. Quick question.
Yes, I did it.
Good job, Brock. I'm proud of you.
All right, where are we going?
Oh, Jesus. Holy shit.
Oh,
I got
Smitty!
stabbed. It was kind of like
No.
it's kind of like you on the train, but you know, with no train.
And I've revived like 40 people. It's so easy to revive people as a medic, and it never happens. I don't get it.
Here's how it works.
Like, I probably get like 10 or 15 a game.
Tyler.
Yeah,
Hold
yeah,
People
Tyler.
who play medic.
Rocket gun! Did you die?
Oh, nice,
Got you, Brock.
nice.
Get me. You didn't get me?
There you go. There you go.
Oh, there we go.
Get out of fire, Brock.
Let me double check.
Hide, Brock.
Oh,
Spawning on
Get
you
him.
boys over here, B. Oh,
and then
shit.
heal me.
Up top.
It won't
I
let
got
me get
you.
you. What the fuck?
Oh,
There you
nice.
go. Nope. We're dead.
I'm not.
Did you survive that?
I survived.
There's two.
Oh, there was.
Oh, there's a lot
There
of
was a
them.
lot more than two.
Oh wait.
Let's go get them. Marcel. They ain't gonna rocket gun us.
Let's cap this. Let's cap this first.
Think they can get away with it?
How about I just do this?
Oh, look at homie here.
How about I just do this? He just fucking dies. I'm trying to light bitches on fire.
No.
What was that?
It's a disappointed move.